This lecture is on respiration, the respiratory system of the a frog. यह चीज़ जरूर ऊपर लिखा करो टॉपिक दोनों. Respiratory system of frog. This respiratory system that is consists of three type of respiratory system. Three type of respiration is there. केड़ी respiration है? One is the cutaneous respiration. One respiration is cutaneous respiration, which is most of the time that is takes place, that is the cutaneous. Cutaneous respiration, that is through skin. Maximum respiration which is takes place in frog is cutaneous respiration. For the respiration, 2-3 conditions are required. One is membrane should be thin. Second, huge supply of the blood capillaries, not blood vessels. There should be huge supply of the blood capillaries. So see here, or there is a moisture outside the skin. Skin de ale duale there is a membrane of glandular layer, glands the layer hai, that is moisture layer. Just below, outside is water, then is the skin. Then here is skin. Clear? This is water, this is moisture layer या gland cells the layer. After this is the outer epidermis skin, and there is huge blood supply, number of capillaries. There is present number of capillaries which contain the blood. From where one side deoxygenated blood comes, ठीक है? Here is, ध्यान नाल समझनी है, here is formation of layer of oxygen in between the mucus layer or skin. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ there is present layer of oxygen which is entrapped from the land. समझ आई मेरी गल कि मान लो यह धरती ते है, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰਲੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਸੀਨਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਤਲੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਲੇਅਰ ਕਾਦੀ ਬਣੀ ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗਲੈਂਡਸ ਦੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮੋਇਸਚਰ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਲੇਅਰ ਬਣੀ ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਅਸਲੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਹੈ. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਲੈਟ ਇਟ ਬੀ ਕਿ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਵਰ ਸਕਿਨ, like this layer of lubricated glandular layer, clear है? In between there is a space, ए वाला, और there is formation thin film of the oxygen, thin film of oxygen, और just स्किन दे नीचे की प्रेजेंट है ब्लड वैसल्स। ए देखो हुन here is a deoxygenated blood which contain more carbon dioxide. It contain more oxygen. From here oxygen moves from higher concentration to lower concentration which is present in the blood capillaries, and carbon dioxide which is more in the deoxygenated blood that is moved to the this film of the oxygen. Now this film become the more deoxygenated, मतलब rich of carbon dioxide. इत्थों है फिर release होके it enter into this, ਇਹਦੇ आले दुआले की है पानी, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ चली जाएगी, या it moves to outside the environment. एनवायरमेंट तो ऑक्सीजन लैनगे तो इत्थे एक फिल्म बना देंगे। हुन इस व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन, सो दैट देयर इज़ मैक्सिमम एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस, क्योंकि ज़्यादा समय रहेगी ना ऑक्सीजन उत्थे तो मैक्सिमम एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस इज टेक्स प्लेस। दिस इज़ द एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट फॉर दिस फिल्म फॉर्मेशन बिटवीन द glandular layer and skin. This film do this extra benefit to the skin, so that the now this time there is oxygenated, इधरले पासे deoxygenated blood है, इधरों कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर चल गई, ऑक्सीजन एंटर कर गई, तो इधर की आ गया oxygenated blood. This is clear? This is cutaneous respiration or सौखी है, and most of the time this type of respiration is takes place in the frog, either it is water or in outside the water. Clear? Second important type of respiration that is found is buccopharyngeal respiration. Buccopharyngeal respiration. What is the buccopharyngeal respiration? That is takes place in the buccal cavity and pharynx. Pharynx and buccal cavity, that is buccopharyngeal respiration. As it is 2-3 conditions are there. The membrane should be thin so that there is maximum exchange of gases. Second stage, huge blood supply, or third the oxygen rich the air which we take in our in frog take in its body inhale, the frog जड़ी oxygen inhale करेगा that should be rich of oxygen and has less carbon dioxide or deprive of carbon dioxide. This is clear? These three conditions should be there. One should be that should be moisturized. Internal lining should be moisturizer or it should be thin. Second term, huge blood supply, that is in the form of capillaries, not in the form of vein. Vein ते artery च मैं difference दस्या सी ना, देखो vein च जदों से नू कट्टने आ it has this cross sectional area. In case of capillaries this is a single membrane. इचों exchange gases, oxygen अंदर जानी, carbon dioxide बाहर जानी औखी है as compared to एदे, है ना, which is single membrane. So there should be huge blood vessels with the capillaries. Or secondly, Secondly, thirdly, sorry, the blood which is here, that should be carbon dioxide rich. Blood should be carbon dioxide rich, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਣਾ ਵਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਿਆਣਾ ਨਾ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਾਰਬਨ ਡਾਈਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ. ਐਂਡ ਦ ਏਅਰ, fourth point, the air which should it take, that should be oxygen rich. The oxygen which it inhale, that should be oxygen rich. These 4 points are clear to everyone. ਜੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਹਵਾਈ ਉਹਨੇ ਲਈ ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਡਾਈਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਐਕਸਚੇਂਜ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਤੇ ਜੇ ਖੂਨ ਐਸਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਥੋੜੀ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਹੈ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ, ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਤੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਂ ਬੋਲੀਆਂ, ਮੋਇਸਚਰਾਈਜ਼ਰ, ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਇਟ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਥਿਨ, ਥਰਡ blood, huge blood capillaries, with third, with fourth deoxygenated blood, and air which it should inhale, that should be oxygen rich, pure air should be required. Clear है ना these conditions. Secondly, now the process which is involved in that is its nasal chamber. नक चो हवा लेने एक्सटर्नल नेरिस, फिर नक चो अंदर आई इंटरनल नेरिस, then in the buccopharyngeal ऐस स्पेस च आ गई. इतों तक क्लियर, that is enter into the buccal cavity. In previous lecture I have told you the all structure of the buccal cavity. This is clear. This is one process, this is second. In this case, this lungs should be closed, glottis should be always closed. Glottis की है, जिथों lungs शुरू होंदे, that should be always closed during the buccopharyngeal respiration. These conditions are clear. Now what happened during the respiration, that is mouth is like this. इधर देखो, let it be, this is a mouth and this is a nasal chamber. In this case, this lower jaw, ਇਹ देखो, ਇਹ ਤੇ ਹਿਲਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਾ lower jaw, that is movable. In previous lecture I have told you this is a movable, it is lower down with help of these sternohyoid muscles. ए बने दे ना sternohyoid muscles, ए लिखे दे sternohyoid muscles, which is present here and which starts from here and attached here. ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਮੂੰਹ ਨੀਚੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਹੁਣ ਸਮਝੋ ਮੈਂ logically ਦੱਸਣ ਲੱਗਿਆ. when mouth is, earlier it is was like this, when mouth is like this, this space is more, volume is more and pressure is less. Now buccopharyngeal respiration, this is a very important respiration. Most of the time in the frog, the respiration which takes place, that is the buccopharyngeal respiration. Why it is important? After the cutaneous respiration, buccopharyngeal respiration is important because in land, ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ ਉਦੋਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਰੈਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, ਬੱਕੋਫਰੈਂਜੀਅਲ. ਸੈਕੰਡਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਫਲੋਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਮੂੰਹ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਲੋਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, that also that time buccopharyngeal respiration is takes place, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ, એનર્ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਗਾਉਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ. with less energy it can do that respiration. The conditions are same, because ki membrane should be thin, huge blood supply of the deoxygenated blood from the outside take the oxygen rich, which the air which it inhale, that should have more oxygen. Clear है ना? These all conditions should be, or it should be moisturized. Now see the process. This process is mostly depend upon this lower jaw, buccopharyngeal cavity, that is mostly depend upon the throat, size of the throat. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਥਰੋਟ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹਾਊ ਇਟ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਔਰ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼, ਇਹ ਵਧੇਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਘਟੇਗਾ, ਦਿਸ ਆਲ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਅਪੋਨ ਦਾ ਲੋਅਰ jaw. Lower jaw, its lower jaw is movable. Let it be that help by the sternohyal muscles. ਇਹ ਲਿਖੇ ਦੇ sternohyal muscles. This muscle starts from the tongue. This muscle starts from the height and attached with the this neck portion. Neck te de है नहीं है, it is attached to the glottis, near to the glottis or end of the this lower jaw. When this lower jaw, now see this, what is the mechanism for this? When the sternohyal muscles they move, contract, केड़े वाले sternohyal muscles, then this lower down, this lower, which lower jaw, that is lower down. Now this cavity is increased. Which cavity? Buccopharyngeal cavity, that is increased. Now think, this cavity is now increased, means volume is increased, so pressure is decreased. बार प्रेशर ज़्यादा हुआ तो इट मूव्स फ्रॉम हायर साइड टू लोअर साइड, बाहरों एयर अंदर आएगी. दिस इज क्लियर. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन इट इज फिल्ड विद द एयर, ज़्यादा सारी आ गई, टोटल स्पेस भर गया, देन दिस पैटर्नोहाइल मसल्स, देन द पैटर्नोहाइल मसल्स दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. They starts from this side, from the lower jaw to this otic region. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਉੱਪਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰ ਨੂੰ ਖਿੱਚੇਗਾ. ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਦਿਸ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਉੱਪਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਏਗਾ. When now these petrohyal muscles when contract, now see this is the position. Earlier it was this space is more. Buccopharyngeal cavity is larger. When it is closed, now what happened? This space is lessen, cut gaya na. Now pressure is more and volume is less. Clear itho tak? This is clear. See here, this space is more in case of when air is coming out. Now this when it is closed, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਬੰਦ ਰਹੇਗਾ. Now what happened? From here it is closed, this air, now in this situation, here pressure is more, mouth is kept, lungs are closed. Where to leave the air? It leaves from here. Clear? This is the process of buccopharyngeal respiration. This process is, I think, clear. At that time, ਜਦੋਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਸਪੇਸ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਮੂੰਹ ਬੰਦ ਰਹੇਗਾ, ਇਹ ਸਪੇਸ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਲੋਅਰ ਜਾ ਨੀਚੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਖੁੱਲ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਇਧਰੋਂ ਹਵਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਈ. After exchange of gases, it is closed, then air is gone, foul air. This is coming the fresh air. Now from here foul air, that is gone out. Foul layer means carbon dioxide rich. Oxygen that is taken from blood vessels, carbon dioxide ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ, and oxygen from the fresh air is taken by the blood vessels which is present here. I think this is clear. Clear है ना? This main processes depend upon the movement of the lower jaws by the sternohyoid muscles as well as paternohyoid muscles. I think this is clear. Second is third, or it is rear one. Why it is rear one? क्योंकि cutaneous ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. Buccopharyngeal it can do, frog can do easily. And why to required the more energy to do such a complicated process? But main process is same in this case also. There is first lowering means down of the lower jaw. When it is down of the lowering jaw, then is this nasal chamber. ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਪਸ ਚ ਜੁੜ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਨੀਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਚਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੋਂ 에ਅਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਏਗੀ, like this. When mouth is closed, space is increased. किस तरह? इस तरह करके नीचे ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੀਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, space is more, outside air is come inside, and then is after this fresh air is coming inside. Clear है? Here the glottis is closed. This is buccopharyngeal cavity, glottis is closed. The lungs, एक मिनट देखो, in third step, this is first step, inspiration, मतलब एयर ਨੂੰ अंदर लेके जाना. This is second step, inspiration. During inspiration, air is coming inside. After that, in this case, mouth is kept closed. किधे नाल? वो आपा पढ़े सी, lingual fossa plus lingual elevator plus fossas. Then this lung cavity, glottis is open, and this fresh air is coming into the lungs. There is exchange of gases. Same condition is there. See the structure of the lungs. These are the two lungs. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਹੀ गर्दन है नहीं है, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਹੀ lungs. The lungs, that is this cavity, they are the red color spongy organ. Spongy means chocolatey, softy है. Spongy ਦਾ मतलब ਕੀ है? Which have spaces. See, this is the internal structure. These are the space. ਲੱਭਦੇ ਪਏ ਨਾ spaces. Why these spaces are there? To increase the surface area, ताकि एयर इन्हां दे अंदर जाए. देखो जदों हवा जाएगी, जे इलास्टिक नॉन इलास्टिक होणगे, समझो मेरी गल, जे तो इलास्टिक है तो गुब्बारे वांगर फुल जाएंगे, जे नॉन इलास्टिक होणगे तो फिर सख्त होणगे तो उत्थे ही रहणगे, तो जे इलास्टिक होणगे फुल जाएंगे तो ज़्यादा एयर अंदर आएगी. क्लियर है? मोर एयर कम्स here. These are the cavities, or these are called the alveoli, or these are called the septa. Septa की आगे who separate the two areas. Septa who separate the two alveoli. Now this is the third stage. This is the third stage. Air fresh air goes to the lungs and it again its space is less. हवा निकल गई तो वो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ चला गया. This is the third stage. Clear है? Here the space is more. Here the space is less. In the next stage, when they expanded, full exchange of gases takes place. After that, this again with force that is moved out. This foul air from lungs come into the air. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਵਾ ਆ ਗਈ ਤੇ space is again more like this. ठीक है, ਇਹ नीचे चला जाएगा ना किधे नाल sternocleidomastoid muscles then. Now this is the fourth stage, third, fourth stage. This is clear. Now next, again this lowering jaw that is moves upward. When it moves upward, this space is lessen, chota ho jua, and air is come out of the this. Clear? This is the pulmonary respiration. This is called ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ pulmonary respiration. The process is same in both ki lowering as well as upper and lowering of the movement of the lower jaw. Along with the during this all the times, see this external nares remain open. उधर भी देखो, उस कंडीशन च भी देखो, इत्थे भी देखो. नेजल ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੱਕ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਹੀ ਰਹੇਗਾ, ਕਦੀ ਹਵਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਏਗੀ, ਕਦੀ ਹਵਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਏਗੀ. It remain kept open. The process is which is takes place with help of this mouth. This is the lowering and moving upward. ਇਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਸਪੇਸ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਹਵਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਏਗੀ. It is upside और हवा ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਏਗੀ because volume is less, pressure is more ਤੇ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ. It moves from higher to lower. This all process is clear. This process, this is little bit lesser time do they this. They do maximum cutaneous and then buccopharyngeal respiration. क्योंकि एक चीज़ और देखो, ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਲਮਨਰੀ ਰੈਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ ਜਾਣਾ ਵੈ ਉਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਐਕਸਚੇਂਜ ਆਫ ਗੈਸਿਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ, ਬੱਕਲ ਕੈਵਿਟੀ 'ਚ. ਤੇ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਵੱਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਗਏ, ਪਿਓਰ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ while passing through this process there is exchange of gases takes place. Clear? This takes place only in case of when they require the more energy, that is in the time of jumping, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੜਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲਗਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, or at the time of when they required huge energy. This all clear? Any question do you want to ask me from this system? The structure of this glottis, from where the air enter, ਇੱਥੋਂ air ਗਈ ਤੇ ਇੱਧਰ. ਹਾਂ, one thing is more important. When air comes back from them, when they passes through glottis, there is present vocal cord. मैं ਹੁਣ ਇਹ structure ਉਹ ਕਰਾਨੀ ਆ. vocal cord ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ voice ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਡੱਡੂ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਲਕਾ ਹਲਕਾ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. In case of male, when this air comes to mouth, they enter into vocal cords. When that air enter into vocal cords which is present in the near the lower jaw. Then they, when they now when they press, air goes out. Then again from their voices तेज हो जाती है, टर 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 उच्ची उच्ची बोलते हैं फिर. क्लियर है? विद दिस देयर इज एम्पलीफिकेशन ऑफ द वॉइस बाय द वॉइस ऑर्गन. वॉइस ऑर्गन कल करानी है मैं तुम. देयर इज वॉइस ऑर्गन्स like our body, there is also voice organ, retinoid, crinoid, some cartilages are there. That I will do in my next lecture. Any question?